This video is going to be about the Story Settings Editor. The Story Settings Editor is where you make sure the shell of your book looks tidy. To get there, click on the Create tab and it will show you all of your works, and then all you have to do is just click on a title. At first, you'll see the table of contents and also where you can add new chapters. To rearrange the order of the chapters, click here, hold it, and then you can drag it. Also, make sure that you hit save before you close out of the page. Now click on Story Details. Make sure people can read your cover and that it goes with your book. For your description, it's best to keep it short and sweet. Think of the back cover description of a book, not the inside jacket description. Include if your story is featured or has won any awards. Give a compelling argument for why people should read your book without making it look like you're trying to convince them to do anything. You can even add some reviews written by your readers. Also, add when you plan to update the novel. Make sure that your genre is correct and that your copyright is set on all rights reserved. Tags are an important way to get your story discovered. They're essentially hashtags. This slide is from Wattpad, so it comes directly from the people who know best. But basically, tell me what subgenre it is. Are there robots in your sci-fi story? Or are there aliens? Tell me if it's from a guy point of view or a girl point of view or both. Also, make sure you establish where exactly your story is happening. And also, feel free to be creative with tags. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, you can comment below. And if you're watching from Wattpad, comment on this section of the chapter. Thanks!